What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody going? How everybody doing out there? I guess we're having a wonderful trading week. I guess we're staying to the bag and forever chasing the bag and getting to the bag. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Never mind the noises and the sounds that you guys might be hearing. I'm in the crib. Today it's a Wednesday. I was like, I looked at my schedule and I'm like, I need to upload Ethereum today. What's going to happen for the coming months on Ethereum? I did share this video before. Now, this is actually an update, right? So I can't leave you guys behind. I need to be with you all forever to the back, and I need to forever update you all what's going to be happening. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you share, and that you turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload something new and valuable information concerning all about Forex, right? So as you can see how the charts on Ethereum are at the moment. When you guys saw the previous video, I'm gonna drop a link in the description so you guys can check it out. We did indicate that from this sell zone area, from right there, we were looking for price to close above to be bullish, or for price to be bearish if it fails to break above. So looking at the previous month, it was in March, I think, when we uploaded this video, I think. So this candlestick closed above. So obviously with a close above, that actually indicated to us that we need to do what? Continue further to the upside, because you can clearly see that price was holding support once, right? Came back as resistance for some time, and then breaking above, creating what? Giving us signs that we still are holding the zone as our major support, right? So when you can see our current price did what? Price kind of like broke above, right? We're now having this intraday, or this I'm saying intraday on the monthly time frame. Oh my God. You can clearly see that we have this move to the downside, still failing to break below, showing us signs that we are still above this very same zone. With that being said, if price really continues or closes above this zone, that will give me a sign that price might be looking to continue above, with price reacting once, right? And coming back again to react for the second time, right? So you guys know that history repeats itself in Forex, right? But you need to be more technical before you be more fundamental, or before you use what happened last on the left. You need to see what's currently happening. So this is just simple. Price is kind of like giving us signs that we are bullish, right? With a 3-month period of price reacting on our support, with breaking above. The second month we didn't break below, which still closed above. The coming month we close as a indecision candle, and the third month we kind of like rejecting, with breaking out and breaking in and breaking out again. There will be a sign of what? A break above and a retest above, looking for potential signs of continuing to the upside, and there will be it. You guess you get me, people. So when you look at the weekly time frame, so on the weekly time frame, I can still remember that price had a push and price was kind of like correcting. I did say that, okay, because now we had a push and we're correcting, what's next? Are we going to break out, or are we going to fail to break? Those are my only two anticipations. Never mind that some people again. Those are my only two anticipations, that are we gonna still break out or break or fail to break. So looking at this candlestick, you can clearly see that we had a momentum candle closing above, and we had a 2-week period of price failing to break below, or price trying to break below, but unfortunately the bullish momentum still held the charts and price continued to the upside. Looking at our current price, looking at what's currently happening, looking at what we are currently looking at, you can clearly see again that price is kind of like doing what? Rejecting to break below off of our resistance, right? Off of our support, right? So with that being said, if this candlestick closes bullish, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen. Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it, that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trader. It's the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform, which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans. to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'll be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional, all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out. Listen to me. If this candlestick closes bullish, you can clearly see that we have a breakout and a retest with a pin bar and a bullish candle close, giving us signs or giving us a possibility that price might be looking to do what? To continue moving to the upside from the weekly time frame. But if the candlesticks still come back inside and trade bearish, then that clearly gives us signs that price might be still looking to be bearish, and there will be it, right, people? So you can clearly see that what I'm looking at on the monthly and the weekly, they kind of correlate. Price did break out, and price is kind of like price did break out of our support or broke above of our support, and price is kind of like trading above, holding our support. That are signs that price might be still looking to continue moving to the upside or being bullish, and there will be it, right? Looking at the daily time frame before we end the video, let me remove this, and this, right? And this too. So people, when you look at the daily, I still remember very well, people. I'll never confuse though. We had some type of support right here, right? We had some type of support, and we had some type of this resistance, which is our major support. But because we're still above, we're still below, there is resistance on intraday zones. So never mind this one, but I'm just trying to make you all see the simplicity of how this charts weigh, right? When you still remember, guys, price was on a push, and this was our first exhaustion, our second exhaustion, our third exhaustion, our fourth exhaustion, which led price breaking out of our support with a retest. Price giving us signs that we are still failing to break below, continuing to the upside, closing above this very same high, closing above this intraday high when you look at it very properly with this candlestick, and coming back for a retest again. So when you now see that, okay, we had a break. So when you now see what I'm trying to explain is that people, I'm trying to give y'all game, man. I'm trying to give y'all game, man. I'm trying to give y'all game, man. People pay hard for this shit. People pay hard, but this is free for now, right? It just depends on how you execute it or how you use it. So people, when you now see that, okay, we had price pushing, right? Because I now remember we said we had a breakout and a break back in. Price broke out again with a bullish engulfing candlestick and holding support and holding above support, right? With price pushing to the upside again, kind of like exhausting, breaking above this high, breaking above this highs. You can clearly see that price broke above this highs with a continuation to the upside and a retest of those highs and continuing further to the upside, right? That was just enough for you, or there were more than enough reasons as to why you need to continue looking to be bullish, because you can clearly see that from a push phase, we had an exhaustion phase, continuation push phase, exhaustion phase, and a continuation push phase. Price creating higher highs and higher lows. And that's the simplicity of trading. And that was what we were looking for, or what I was anticipating. So guys, this is not very easy or very hard. It just depends on how you use it. So when you now look at our current price, before I chop it up on this video, you can clearly see that we are still holding above our support. Price broke back in of our support and kind of like breaking out again of our support. If you now look at this from the monthly and the weekly, you can clearly see that price is holding support and price is respecting support. Even though we were trading below support for some time last year, this year price is trading above support, and you can clearly see that from price creating all-time lows, we're now looking to be potentially bullish. I'm not saying price is really bullish, but technically speaking and looking at our current market price is bullish, and we can't dispute that or we can't lie about that, right? So this is your boy Harlem. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. And make sure that you use what you have with the information that I just shared, because I might be wrong, you might be right, right? But make sure you use it wisely, and make sure you execute your trades and be patient and be disciplined and enjoy your trading. This is your boy Harlem. That's all I got in this video. I'm out.